Kingston. I'm Capgemini's UK CTO. And the theme of today is applied innovation. For me, the key difference with applied innovation is it puts the user at the heart of our solution thinking. How do we really delight and excite the users of the things we design and build? We've got over 30 different topics to cover today. Everything from the future of retail, digital twin, and pretty much everything in between.
Any innovation starts with a brilliant idea. You can all experience yourself what innovation is about. Don't do it on your own. Talk, speak, make fun, make jokes, go out.
Hi everyone, it's me Alexa. I'd like to introduce our next speaker, the Global CTO of Capgemini for Insights and Data, Ron Toida.
It's one of these excellent examples of where technology is currently bringing us. It's making us completely touchless, it's making the experience completely seamless, and it actually delivers very good things to us as well.
I'm so glad you stayed awake during this difficult time right after lunch, and I hope you thoroughly enjoyed the session. I wish you a very interesting day.
Hi guys, my name is Ben Wagner from Heathrow. Delighted to hear that some of our BAE Systems colleagues were in my presentation earlier, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to find out more about what we do, then I think it's via Joe and the guys get in touch and we'll set up a session to talk about innovation more.
My name's Gavin Walker, horrible picture, sorry. I'm the Director of Service Design and Transition for NATS. That's ITIL speak for Director of Programs and Engineering. I'm very much a pragmatist in actually delivering, and I want to say I always get motivated by getting things done and actually making things happen.
An approach that we've taken of using data and a human-centered approach, I think, is one of the most important steps into the next 10 years of how we interact with machines.
So this is our shoulder exoskeleton. What it does is transferring forces from the most vulnerable muscles, the most common causes of workplace injury, and transferring them to larger muscles. So this particular one's going to protect your shoulder muscles. Excellent. So activities like painting your ceiling, changing the light bulbs, anything that involves repetitive actions.
So Heathrow, what can you use it for at Heathrow?
Our baggage handlers do some repetitive exercises, lifting the bag and shoving it off and taking it to the van and just going to look after them very well.
It does actually feel quite nice. I'm quite enjoying it already. There you go.
Favourite session by far was the blockchain session. Really interesting to see the practical applications of that, and I think we've got a solution which could help us with our supply chain going forward. So, yeah, worthwhile day, definitely.
I've been learning loads about different innovation techniques today. Been to the bionic arm session and the Heathrow session as well.
Really interesting to understand Heathrow's innovation process, certain things that we need to take forward within BAE. So I'll speak to some of the other guys later on how we can implement those.